Welcome back to Acker Studio, your ultimate destination for captivating and innovative home design ideas.
Part 2, Crafting the Indoor Courtyard Kitchen, a closer look. In Part 1 of our exploration of Harmonious Design, blending nature and kitchen in an indoor courtyard, we delved into the fundamental principles of this innovative design philosophy. We uncovered how this approach seamlessly integrates nature within our homes and transforms kitchens into nature-inspired culinary spaces. Now, in Part 2, we take a closer look at the finer details of crafting the perfect indoor courtyard kitchen and the incredible benefits it brings. The serenity of an oasis. An indoor courtyard kitchen is designed to be a peaceful sanctuary, and the choice of materials and colors plays a crucial role in achieving this. Natural wood, stone, and earthy tones dominate the decor, creating a sense of serenity. The subtle incorporation of garden-inspired decor and botanical accents further enhances the connection with nature, making your kitchen a tranquil escape. Sustainability as a core tenet. In a world increasingly conscious of environmental issues, sustainability takes center stage in the harmonious design. The use of sustainable materials in flooring, countertops, and cabinetry is not only eco-friendly but also stylish. Recycled and reclaimed materials, as well as energy-efficient appliances, the kitchen garden's bounty. Perhaps one of the most captivating elements of this design is the kitchen garden. Here, you can cultivate your own herbs, fruits, and even vegetables. Imagine plucking fresh basil for a homemade pesto or harvesting ripe tomatoes for a delicious salad, all within the convenience of your kitchen. It's a connection to food that's truly unique. An al fresco experience indoors. The indoor courtyard kitchen encourages open-air dining and entertaining. By incorporating large, glass doors and windows, the boundaries between the interior and the exterior blur, creating an al fresco experience even when you're indoors. This integration of indoor and outdoor spaces not only adds a touch of luxury but also extends your living area into the courtyard. The power of wellness. Wellness-focused interior design is a fundamental aspect of harmonious design. The abundance of greenery in the indoor courtyard provides improved air quality and a sense of well-being. Studies have shown that exposure to nature has a calming effect and can reduce stress levels. An indoor tree or living wall can serve as a natural air purifier, contributing to a healthier and more balanced living environment. Your oasis of calm. In summary, the concept of harmonious design that blends nature and kitchen within an indoor courtyard is not just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice. It allows you to create a serene, sustainable, and visually pleasing living space that connects you with the natural world. This design philosophy transcends mere aesthetics to contribute to your well-being and the well-being of the planet. So, whether you have a green thumb or not, consider embracing the indoor courtyard kitchen trend to cultivate your own oasis of calm and culinary creativity. It's a journey into the heart of nature, right in the heart of your home.